Yeah, sessions record has started. Yeah, thanks for joining today's session. So yeah, let me share my screen to you. Okay, just I'm showing the instance creation again now. So first we need to go to the developer.servicenow.com. So here this is the site. So first we have to create the go to the account. If you don't have the account, yeah, definitely if you type your email, it will definitely ask to create the ID here. So get a service no ID. See here. So here we have to give the first name, last name, email ID, and country, and the password, and the confirm. You will receive an email to your Gmail account. So for the activation, okay. Once you have the that your account is activated, then go to this sign into the existing account. So here you have to give your email ID. Yes. So click on next. So click on sign in. So once you logged into the this developer site, normally previous class I have created this, right? But you get a option to create the start building. So once you click on the start building, you will get an option to select the version name, which version you want to select. Okay, I will. You can select the latest version. Um, whatever the Janadu version or previous Washington version. If you want to select any one of them in the two versions, you can select. So it will take you 10 to 15 minutes to create the instance. Once your instance is created, it will show like this. Okay, start building, and this is the random number DEV194396. It gives you the for particular you for you only this instance is created for you. So once you click on this, so it takes to you to the this this is the actual instance Servicenow has created for this. Okay, and so here you can see the all the information here, like instance, it is online or offline. If you don't open more than 10 days, here you can see instance with no activity for over 10 days will be claimed back to the pool. So they will take back for instance from you. Okay, if you don't open continuously, but every 2 3 days try to open. But we have now your learning phase, right? We have to practice every day, right? So try to open every day. Okay, and the release, and I already discussed about this all these topics. Just to go through the all the details here, and activate plugin. I will explain this topic in detail once we have that activity in the our course. Okay, and upgrade, if you want to upgrade the latest version, already we are in latest version, so we don't have the any latest version as of now. So upcoming version we can latest. Okay, okay, yeah. Now this is in Janadu version normally, but now these are developer instance here we can see. But if you go direct you don't need to log into the developer side. Just just they give the instance URL to you. You have to type login. You have to log in into the so that time if you want to know the version of the your instance, so in which version your production instance is available, just in that in the time, so just type here like the stats dot sorry stats dot do. If you give this command, it will show the all the information about your instance. The statistics for here is the instance URL, and so here you can see the build name Janadu when it is got built. So this is July 27, 2024. On this date, that version got released from the Servicenow. And the instance, this is instance name, this is instance ID, this is unit number for your particular instance. And instance state online, it is online. IP address from, this is the IP address of this. Okay. And the patch one, so this is generated patch number, this is the patch number we have. So it should be, even in version also they relieve many patches for the to fix the existing issues and to introduce the new features. They release the patch version, so it has to be in the up to date, it has to be in the latest version. Okay. So here you can see the all the memories here, all the details of the instance. So normally we don't check here, but just we have to know this page where you, if in case you have some server response time, client response time, for the further debugging purpose, you have to know this all the details here. So OS configuration, so they, what OS they are using in the backend, they are using Red Hat Enterprises Linux. Okay. The processor, everything AMD. So just to know about the background of a ServiceNow. So ServiceNow, the company, how they created our ServiceNow instance, and background, what are the systems or background systems are working. So you can come to know this. Okay. And in generally, normally now we have the one personal development instance. But if you, when you join an organization, they might have three instance, just basic three instance. But some organizations have more than three, but three basic three instance they subscribe. Okay. The first one is production instance. Okay. Normally it could be like some, if you are like here we are Yaksha IT Solutions, right? So it could be like Yaksha prod dot service now .com. It could be your production instance. So we do all end users, they do use this production instance. This is some example I'm just saying. The second one is development instance. So Yaksha dev dot service now .com. Okay, this is our development instance. Here we can start building the new features in the development. If you want to add some extra functionalities, first we develop in the development instance. Okay. Then third one is test or UAT. In every organization they call it as in own terms, the test or UAT instance. So it is an example of Yaksha test dot service .com. So these are the some examples instance I'm just saying. So production instance, test instance we use for the testing purpose. Normal in the development environment, we develop some functionality. Just we move the code to the test. We show the demo to the client. So this is the product you ask. I'm showing you the basic demo. So in the test, if they can find some issues, again you come back to the development, you fix those issues, again you move the code to the test environment. So again, so this is the from test. If everything is okay, once you got the sign off from your customer, then we promote the final changes to the production instance. Okay. This is the normal flow we have. Okay. In a and for everything, credential login details are same, but your normally developer instance we might have the admin password, but in production instance we don't need to give the password. Once you type the login, automatically it will take your system login, like I logged in my laptop with the username password, right? So in your organization, you don't need to give the username or password every time. So once you hit the URL, it automatically take the authentication from your system, like Active Directory. Like there are many systems they use as per that, OAuth and Okta. So many applications are like that. It will take to the single sign-on. Once you logged into your system, it will take you to the, like our Gmail. If you log into the Gmail, automatically it will take to you to the YouTube, same login, and Google Drive, photos, everything same, right? So like that, it will take to you the single login. I will show how to configure the single login also. I will show. Okay. Anybody having any doubts in this point? Okay. Yeah. So as expression, this is the application navigator part. So here you can access the all the applications available for her, for us. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So let me take you the incident application. So once you type the incident here, yeah. So this is the incident application. In the incident application, where we have the child modules. Like this is the parent module. Under parent module, we have the child module. Like create new. If you want to create the new incident, you can create and assign to me. So assign to me with your login. You are a system administration login, right? If some tickets are assigned to you to work on, you can see the incidents here. Okay. Next is open. What are the incidents are already created and open. They did not resolve these incidents. These are the open incidents. Okay. And so these are the main modules, open and unassigned and resolved, already resolved incidents. Already those incidents are already fixed. And you can see the all the incidents without filter conditions. Okay, these are the so so after next topic we are going to discuss about the user administration. So for every basic any tool like ServiceNow or Salesforce, first basic topic is the user administration. So how we create the users to your organization. If you want your organization use this service now, so they must be their records must be created in our user table. Okay, let me take you the user administration part. So this is the user administration part. So I will bookmark this entire application to the favorites. Okay, here you can give the some name if you want to change the name by default. So click on done. So here you can see the all the applications here. If you want to open regularly in your system, so you can open this. So in user administration, normally what we create, users, groups, and the roles and the departments, companies, locations. Sorry. Okay. So normally we maintain all these details in the user administration module. Okay. Okay. Let me take you to the, so first users. So here you can see the 627 users, 627 users are already created by ServiceNow. So these people can access our ServiceNow developer instance. So in your organization, the count could be more than 10,000. In my organization, more than 90,000, near to 1 lakh users are using our instance. So based on the company capacity, that users are will able to access the instance. So normally, no, all these details we don't we don't create directly into the service now. So normally we import them from the, we integrate with the LDAP or active directory or it could be Azure. From Azure also we can import and Okta. So these are some based on the depends upon the company. We select the appropriate tool, whatever they are using. So in my company, they are using the Darwin. So once any employee joined in my organization, so they create first their ID into the Darwin. So from Darwin to Service now automate every day one scheduled job will run every day morning. It will run and it will go to the Darwin. It will check whether any new ID is created or any existing employees details are updated. Today I am working from Hyderabad. So, but my job moved to the Mumbai. So my location got updated. So it will go to the Darwin and it will check whether any new employee joined. So the ID will automatically created in a user table. Any existing employee department location got changed. So his department everything will be updated in a Servicenow. So like this, we normally we did regularly we don't create directly in Servicenow, but we import the users from the LDAP, Active Directory, Azure, Okta, Darwin. Like that, many tools are there. So what are the tool company is using? We can import the data from there. Okay, but I will explain how to create the new user ID. For the normally testing purpose, we create the users. For the service accounts, for the integration purpose, we create the users in real-time scenarios. Okay, so I will explain how to create the new user. So here we have to come to the user table, and here we have the click new button. So this is the basic details of the user record. So first, and it should not be a duplicate record. Okay, I'm just trying. Yeah, I'm just giving this user ID. So it must be unique. Yeah, no other user should have this same user ID. The first name could be service now, and last name is training, and email ID. Next, I'm just giving my personal email ID. Okay. So title, here we have the suggestions title. So based on the that person role, we can give it that. Last time just giving the IT technician and the department. So these are the existing departments you have. So if you want to create, you can create the new one. I'm just selecting the IT department here, and the language, calendar. So time zone, we can create, we can give the, yeah, Canada Pacific, Atlantica. So I'm just randomly giving some GMT time zone. Date format, we can give for mobile number, everything. So here at one point we need to password needs to reset. See, for you, I created one new user record. It must be reset. Once you after first login, it must be reset. So you have to give the we have to select the password needs reset. Okay, I'm just saving record from here. Okay. So user record is created, but the password we did not give, right? So here we can use the set password to auto generated password. It will give the some auto generated password. Okay. So here we have the button to generate the password. So the password is generated. Here you can copy the password. So this is the randomly generated password. Okay, I have to copy this and click on the save. Don't forget, don't click on the close. It means the password is not saved. Click on the save password. Okay, so once you save the password, then go to the close. Okay. Okay, now user ID is created. So now we have to whether you are able to log in with the new that new generated password or not. So then what you do? I'm just opening in a different browser. I'm just taking this URL. At the end, we have to add this login.do. So it will take you to the login page. Okay. Just remember this. So it is asking for the username and the password. So our username is Servicenow training. And the password is newly generated, right, automatically. So this password we have to give. So click on login. See that password is working and it is asking to change the new password. So we have to give the current password again. And the latest password here, they are mentioning some instructions, password requirement. It must be 8 characters, maximum 100 characters, at least one lowercase, at least one uppercase, one digit, one special character. So just follow this password requirement and create your own password accordingly. Okay, I'm just giving some random password here. I'm just confirming the same password again now. Okay, click on the submit. Password must not contain any user data like first one. Okay. First, I have to copy. So my password was matching with the first name, that service no something. So that is the reason it is a, it must not contain that. So I'm just trying with alternate password. One minute. Yes, it is working and I'm able to log in with the our new ID. So here you can see the, so this after first login, it will ask to take the small tour. So they will explain that. So here you can see the service no training. If you want to check his profile, you can't edit your first name because you don't have the admin access. Service no training, IT technician, email. Okay, everything is updated. See here you can see the this thing. So the system administration is also on the same page. So that is the reason you can see who is also on the same page, who is seeing this record. Here you can see the service no training, so the person is on the same record. So we open the in the different browser, right, same record. So that is the reason we can see the all the records here. Okay, and if you want to attach some document here, you can use this icon. This is the manage attachments. You can add some attachment to here. Okay, like this we can attach. So the attachment will be happy here. Just for a option I'm saying this. So now we created the user. So next topic we are going to use the, going to the groups. Normally groups why we use for the common purpose. So now we are in the same department like our service now support department. If any incident or any records should be assigned to our queue, normally it should assign to the, it should be assigned to the group, not directly. So now we are all on same team, so they can't directly assign to you from the, so they will assign to our queue service no support team. So automatically we are all able to access the incident and we can take it to our queue. Okay, so like this I already explained in the incident. Incident open unassigned, check this. So this incident is already created, but it did not assign to the any team. So here the assignment group is empty. So first we have to select the any particular assignment. Service no support unable to access the shared folder. It must be some related to the SharePoint. Just for example, I'm just saying this. I'm just assigning to the some database group. So whoever people are available in the database group, these only these three people are available in the. So they will check the incident and they will assign to themselves. Okay, they will take this incident to go like for this common purpose, not only this assignment group, for the any common purpose we use these groups. So I will, so these are the existing groups. Total 48 groups are available in the personal developer instance. So and now I am explaining to the how to create the new group. So I'm just giving the service now, only service no support only, not. And the manager, we should select our manager. So it is not a mandatory field, but in some organization they maintain this is. So if anything happened and any task is delayed from this group, it should he is the manager is the responsible for. And the group email id, I think everybody knows that group email id like a distributed list email id. So it once you send an email to group email id, so whatever the users are added to the group email id, they will all receive this. And the parent, if the ServiceNow support group is related to some parent, if you want to add to some parent, so we can attach this. Okay, and we can write the description. We are creating this group for this particular purpose, so we can like this, like this we can create the some description like this. Okay, I'm just giving this name, click on the save. So now group is created. The next one is we have to add the group members. So here we can create, use the edit button.
Rao,
Yes.
one second. How are you saving it? Are you right clicking it and you are opting save button or
Yeah, save button. I'm just, so
where
here
is
we,
the save button then?
yeah,
Yeah, okay. Okay, okay. So we
okay,
can we need to right click and we need to select save.
yeah.
Okay.
So yeah,
Okay. 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 Thank
here also we can update, but it will close the record. So if you click on the save, so it
you.
will open the same page.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, okay. So after creating the group, you have to go to the group members. So I'm just going to from the edit button here. So all these users are available here, and we can add the filter condition. So I will explain what is the filter condition next. So I'm just adding the able tutor, and now we created one service no record, right? Yeah, service no training record. So I'm just adding this group here. Okay, I'm just saving. See, the group members able tutor and service no training are created. So now I will verify with what incident. Now I opened one incident, right, from history tab, because I'm opening, I just opened recently, right? I'm opening the same incident here. I'm just giving the service no support group name in assignment group. Okay, okay, I just selected and click on the assign to field. So whoever is in this group, we are able to select the assign to field. Save some able tutor. Yeah, we'll check this one why they are not coming. Previously we give the database, right? So yeah, they must have the ITLU role. So that is, I will show the same scenario again now. So now we will go to the roles. They, these users must have some specific roles to get this into the assigned to. So now I will explain the roles. So these are the roles. Roles means the for the specific access purpose. If you want to access the all the modules in the service now, you can use the roles concept. So they now my ID is created, but I don't have any specific roles. That is the reason I'm unable to access anything. So if you check my this ServiceNow training, here you can see the only basic modules I can see. I can't work on the incidents. I can create incidents for my issues, but I can't work on others issues. Like if you created some incident in the service now, but I can't work it because I don't have the specific roles. Those roles we use to grant the access and the for the specific modules, everything. So I will explain the what are the um basic roles we have here. So basic role is main one is the super admin. So if you have the admin role, you can access entire system. You can manage the entire system. So like admin, we are service admin, and the next one is the ITIL user. So there are many other roles also there, but basic two roles we need to know. But while working on in deep, we'll come to know what are the other roles are available. So basically the ITL role. ITL role, who will use ITL role? So I'm working. So let's say my Outlook. I'm working on Outlook. Somebody is facing a issue with the Outlook. So they created incident. So first I should take the incident to my queue to understand the issue. So so I should have the ITL role. Without ITL role, I can't work on the incidents. I can't resolve the my users incidents. I should be assigned to the ITL role. So here we have the roles, right? Yeah. So this is the admin role. Here you can see the description. This is the system administration role. This role has access to all the system features, functions, and data, regardless security constraints. Okay, admin role has the all the access to the system. So and as I explained, ITL role is there. See, this is the ITL role. Can perform standard actions for ITL help desk technician. This is out of the box technician role. Can open, update, close incidents, problem, change, configure, manage item out of the box. So this ITL role must have the that particular two users to work on the incidents, to resolve the incidents, problems, change record. So basically, and the ITL admin is it has some more advantages. I will discuss in the later. So first ITL role is there. Okay. So if you want to create the new role, just go to the new role. So give some snow role. Just I'm just giving one, and just we have to put the description why we are creating this particular role to understand. Now I created today. I left the organization. Some other person will join in our organization. He should know why we use this snow role. We created this role for testing purpose. Okay, like this some reason must be there, right? So we can create this role like this. Just click on the submit. Here you can submit, or otherwise if you want to save it, you can save it. Anything you can. If you submit, it will the page will be closed and it will go to the previous screen. Okay, so here the ServiceNow support people, these two people are unable to work on the incident, right? The ServiceNow, we're unable to assign the incidents to these two people, but they are in this group. So why they don't have the appropriate that role, ITL role? They don't have it. So now we have to assign the role to this particular two persons. So there are two types we can assign the roles to the users. Okay, first one is just go to this particular user, able tutor user. Even he did not have any roles here. Okay, so that is the reason his name is not coming. Okay, he listed in this. And here we can assign the role to the, go to the edit and click on the ITA and click on the save. Okay, like this we can assign, but this is not the correct way to assign the role to here. See, today in this group only two users. In future there might be a 10 100 also there. So we can't open each record to assign the role to the particular user. So what we do, why this group is created? For the common purpose. So here also we have the roles tab group. Okay, here we must assign the role here. So the role will be applicable to the all the members who are in this group. Okay, you just go to the group roles and click on the edit, select ITIL. Okay, just take this, add this here and click on the save. So this, just reload the form here, just click on the reload here, it will apply the lead. Yeah, the role is created and the group members, this role is assigned to this two group members. Okay, and now just, actually it doesn't have any role, right? Just refresh his screen, just reload the form here. See, he got the 40 roles because ITL role has the contains many roles. So let me open the ITL role, what it has. So this, it role has the many child contain roles. So the whatever the roles are assigned here, see here 22 roles are there. This is the ITL role and it has the child roles. So all the parent and child roles both are applied to the that particular user. So now it is Abel Tutor has, and now we will open our the newly created Servicenow training record also. Go to this Servicenow training record. See, he also have 40 roles. The four roles are coming from this Servicenow support group role. So here you can see inherited. Inherited means the role is assigned from the because of the some other record. Okay, and I will assign one more role here. Let's see. I will explain the what is the difference between the inherited and other records. I'm assigning the some ITIL admin also here to the particular our Servicenow training only, not to the group. Okay. Now we'll come to know the what is the difference between the group roles and as an inherited role. Okay, so this is inherited role, true. So ITL admin just now I assigned it directly, we assign this role to the Servicenow training user, not from the any particular group. So that is the reason it is so inherited is false. Now you will come to know what are the roles are coming from the groups because of the groups, and what is the role coming from the, what is that role directly assigned to this ITL admin. So we will come to know difference here. Okay, normally this is not best practice directly assign the role to the user, but in rare cases we assign the roles to the directly users. Okay, normally in interview also they will ask how do you manage the roles to the, then create first group, I assign the users to the groups and then I assign the role to the group. Automatically what whoever the member of that particular group, they will get this role. Okay, like this you can tell. Okay, you will see only ITL admin is showing. So if you want to remove this, just click on this remove arrow button and click on the save. So the role will be removed. See, the whatever the assign contain roles will be removed, child roles. Okay, here you can see the only ITL admin. So now I will assign this, I will refresh the screen, I will assign the incident to them. Okay, now if you click on this lookup using list, see, now we are getting why now these two people are have access to the to work on this incident. We assign the ITL role, right? Now I am assigning this a Servicenow training. Okay, we have to click on the resolve. So now this is admin. So now we will go to this Servicenow admin login. Okay, Servicenow training login. This is the Servicenow training, right? So here just refresh the screen. You will see the latest whatever the latest elevated access. Okay, just we have to log out and log in. Sometimes it doesn't work. In this case, we have to go to the log out and log in. Okay, now you can see You can see some extra modules here. See now that modules are increased now. Okay. Now you have, because of you have ITL access. So now you are able to access incident module and click on the assign to me. I told you, right, assign to means whatever the incidents are assigned to me, I can access the incidents here directly. Every day we log in first and we go to our assign to me. So this is the incident incident into the Servicenow training user. So what he do? So you will open the incident. He will check this short description and description, and if he attached any that conversation, we can see here. So when is created, you can see the when is the field changes, so whatever happened. I will explain in detail while coming to the incident module. Just okay, what he do, he goes here, he goes to the teams, and from there he will conversation, he will have the conversation. Once he got confirmation from David Diller that his shield, that his issue is fixed, then he will go to the resolved, go to resolve. Then you have to provide the resolution information what he has done. So there are some changes are there, codes are there. We have to select whatever the relevant, just type and resolve it. It means that incident is resolved. Okay. So like this the process is going. And no, the user administration, we anybody having any doubt, what is role and what is group, what is user, anybody having any role? No, right?
Saida, one doubt.
Yeah.
So we added the group,
Yeah.
and in the group we have added 10 or 12 users.
Okay.
We have given the roles also. Like in the roles, we have given ITIL and admin and
Yeah.
other roles.
Yeah.
So after a few days, again, imagine two, three new users added in the same group. So automatically for them, role will be assigned, right?
Yeah. Yeah, though. So if you, this is the group, right? So in few in upcoming days, if four new employees are joined, just what you do, just go to the edit, just add them here. They will also get the same access like able tutor and ServiceNow training. So I'm just adding Abraham Lincoln here. Just save. Here also we can refresh. Yeah, Abraham Lincoln. He is also having the same kind of level of access. See how the same ITL role, everything he gets. Okay.
Yeah, okay, okay.
Rao, I just wanted to add one point.
Okay.
So, how we will come to know there were new employees?
Employees means normally, see, today I joined into some IBM company. So my manager will tell you, so this is the process. You have to create a request. First, I have to request. I will create one request. So I need access to this module and all. We don't need to worry. We don't need to know who joined. Or they will they will submit one service request to you. So I want this access. Then we will come to know what are the groups are related to this, and
Got
you
it,
will
got it.
add them to the, yeah, you will add them to the particular group.
Got it, got it. And we will get a mail request from the
Yeah,
manager to
mail
add
request
certain
in
persons.
ServiceNow also. You have that catalog items. I will explain in the future. We have the some request. Now this is incident, right? I show you incident means already existing issue. Anything
Yes,
happened to
yes,
him.
yes.
This is the incident. Service request means there are catalog items. So I want access to this particular application. So what should I done? So they will submit one request to you. But automatically the request comes to you. We will verify all the details and we will add the user to the particular any group. You will that the knowledge will be shared by your team. So what are the groups we are using for the access levels, everything, your team will share the knowledge to you. So now this group we have created, right, like this service no support, like this in our in organization, they will follow some particular terminology and they will share the details to you. This group we use for this purpose and this ABC purpose, like this they tell you. You don't need to worry about this. Everything, the knowledge will be shared by your team members.
Got it, got it. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Okay. And in user administration, next part is So logged in users, just this is the just note who are logged in. Now we are logged in with the admin and Servicenow training, right? The Servicenow training is also logged in. The persons who are currently logged in your organization. So now our instance being used by 2 users. In actual the instance in company organization, they might be 100,000. The particular time, how many people are last access, last transaction time. So everything you can access here. Okay, just for the information, we don't do anything here, just for the our information purpose I'm telling. Okay, so next thing is the department. So these are the departments. While creating an user will tutor, we have the department, right? This department. So these departments are coming from this department list. If you want to create the new department, you can go to the new button. Normally we don't create. All these details will come from the, sorry, all these users roles, everything will come from the LDAP, Active Directory, Azure. Regularly we don't create. For the rare, very rare purpose, we just create. In my 80s experience, only for the integration purpose I created users. I never touch groups, roles, department, companies, location. Everything they automated. They automatically, it comes from the different systems. Okay, only users I created for the testing purpose and integration purpose. Okay.
If it's a custom application also,
Yeah, custom application also normally we create from the users only. Custom application, everything we use from the users from the, they must create from the user table only. Custom application also.
okay.
Okay. Yeah. So department, if you want to create the new department and the particular ID, it is a unique number ID. Some like ABC123. They create ID like this, and department head and primary contact. Next is the users table. Okay, these are the able tutor, and primary contact. I never created any department, single department now, but just for the information purpose I'm selling. And the locations. Locations also we normal generally import from the LDAP. And but if you want to create any particular location, you can go to the locations table and click on the new. So here we have to give the all the complete information: name, street, city, everything. This is all for the location. Like if user is belongs to location field is not here. Okay, yeah, okay, location field is not there. Normally my every employee must be located to some location, right? So those location will be selected from here. Okay, and the companies. So so these are the companies are created in the by default in the server. If you want to create the new company, let's say my company is a Saffron. In my in below my company there are subsidiaries like child companies. There are many child companies like Saffron Aero Booster, Saffron Helicopter, Saffron helicopter engines. Like that, there are many companies. So they create. We can create them in the companies table here. Okay, and we must remember the companies, the table name, everything I will explain later. Okay, if you want to create the companies here, we can create and click on the new. You will come to know all the details. What are the company, phone number, fax, customer, whether he is a outside customer. Outside customer means, so now we are providing service to the outside customer. You can select the outside, the street address, everything. That is normal text only. Everything they provide. We don't need to inquire about these details. Your customer will tell these details must be filled here. Just submit the company name here. Okay. And yeah, it's all about the user administration. Just try to follow the same exercise, and these details I will explain the in detail while coming. Just user roles that so you can see the all the further, it is for the reporting purpose. So admin user, how many users have the admin role? These all users have the admin role. So based on the reporting purpose only, I just we have these user roles like our service now. Okay, I will explain this later. We have to understand this how the filters are working here before that. Okay, yeah, ServiceNow, just ServiceNow user, how many users, how many roles he has. He has 384 roles he has. Okay, this user has this many roles. Basically, he has ITL, but other roles are integrated with ITL. So because of this, other roles also assigned to him. Okay. So today we covered the user administration part. So just do follow the same exercises and you just try to implement your own thoughts in this exercise, and you may get some doubts in tomorrow class. Okay. So yeah, as of now today we covered a service instance creation, and to understand the version of the service now, we have to go to the stats. Just verify this information also. Stats do. You have to remember this some comments. Okay, just command, and after that how to create the user groups, roles, and everything we have discussed it today. Just try to go through the recording, and please come up with some doubts, then we will trainer will come to know this that you understood or not. Okay, please come up with some doubts. Okay, please note it down. Okay. Okay, that's all for today. We can meet the same time tomorrow. I'm going to start with the tables creations and form administration. I'm going to start. Okay. So anybody having any doubts in this today's class?
No, Rob. Tomorrow we can ask doubt. I mean, working on
Yeah,
it.
yeah. Okay, sure. Thank you very much. Thanks for joining today class, and we will meet tomorrow.
Thank you, Rob. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you.